Hey, y'all got pasta?
Pasta?
Well, that's what I just said.
No, we don't have any pasta.
Weird. Okay, do y'all have any lasagna?
Lasagna? What's up with you? Are you in the mood for Italian or something?
Yeah, actually.
Okay, well, the closest thing I have to Italian food is pizza.
Pizza isn't real Italian food?
Well, I'm sorry that our roller rink doesn't serve gourmet Italian cuisine.
Well, I'm not asking for it to be gourmet. It could be microwave lasagna. I don't care.
I don't just have pasta and lasagna on hand.
Why not?
Because no one comes off the floor drenched in sweat thinking, God, I want some freaking lasagna.
Well, they should.
But they don't.
Hey, y'all got